Hi guys, this is Miko with Weather Watchers here, and as you see in this KC area, there is some big snow coming down. It's a bit slushy right now, but as we look forward to tomorrow, look forward for it to freeze. Kids, get your snow boots ready because school may be canceled tomorrow, Tuesday. We are supposed to get about up to 4 inches, and it's going to be pretty slippery on the road, so make sure tomorrow morning that you are careful and make sure you have an ice scraper in your car. Definitely. We think the snow will stop at about 1 tomorrow p.m. Tomorrow morning is going to be blizzard-like conditions with those 30-mile-per-hour winds. So be careful in your commute. And kids, I think you're ready to get some wet snowballs and snowman building.